This is a HP elitebook G6. I need to change the screen on this. Screen is smashed. But just want to show you that there's no checked on YouTube. There's no instruction on this, but it was a real struggle to check that off. See these thing, I've taken it off, but it was all glued. It was all the way it was glued, you know. So managed to take it off because it's not skin is broken. I didn't bother or anything. Look at all this part was glued. All this part everywhere it was glue everywhere, you know. So guys, be careful when you if you got a good screen and you want to keep the screen. It will be very hard. You have to be very careful in terms of when you pry it open, you know. So I don't know why they put so much glue over it. It's like they don't want us to change the screen. They want us to refer to them, you know. But yeah, so I've managed to take it off, as I said, with a lot of difficulty. So you can see there's glue mark everywhere. Yeah, so it's all glue, even though it clips on, you know. I don't know what the need is to put glue in, you know. And these are very solid glue, you know. It's just very hard to pry open. Yeah, so I mean the rest of the screen should be quite fairly easy. As you can see, there's some screws there, so I'm hoping it's just taken off the screws. So let's do the next part and see, is it easy or hard. So guys, I've taken off the screws, so it seems quite fairly easy. There's no glue on that side, because I remember I had a G5 and taken off from the actual base. They had glue around here, so that was pretty difficult. Yeah, so seems it's quite straightforward from there on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to wait for my new screen to arrive, and you know, before I just give you guys a heads up, because I looked around on YouTube, I haven't seen anyone come up with this, so I thought just you know, just upload this video so that people are aware of it, you know. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helps. If it helps, please like and share. Thanks, bye now.